As a math teacher, we get caught up in teaching a whole lot of rules, but it's been my experience that teaching rules is not nearly enough. Let me take a second to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Heather, a middle school math teacher. Too often I see my students with too many rules cluttering up their minds. They don't know when to use which rule when. But if we set a foundation for why the rules work, it often helps them to give them the opportunity to make the learning stick. Let me give you an example.
One additional strategy is to use counters, with yellow being positive and red being negative. I always tell them you're in the red, and we talk about what that means, and so we use red for negatives, yellow for positives. So we want 5 positives. After we have 5 positives, we want to add some negatives to that. So we add some negatives to that. Once we have positives and negatives, we realize that 1 plus -1 is a 0 pair, so those cancel each other out, as well as these. That is a 0 pair, an additive inverse, which is a 0 pair, and we're left with just 2 negatives. Therefore, our answer is -2. Showing them this before showing them the rules helps them to see a concrete reason and make sense of the rules that they're going to be applying.